Now, in a previous video, I showed you all the profit that I'd made up until these two losses here. So let's just refresh our memory with that. So just to refresh your memory, up until those two losses, I'd made $297.60. Then I had the minus 16 and the minus 160. That gave me a profit of 121. So now if I look above these two losses that I've got here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins here. And as you can see, 960, 960, 960, 920 and 120. And if you add those up, that comes to 39.20 in profit. So now I've got this, so now I've got another robot, and I've gone back as far as the 28th of April because I wanted to give you an idea of a month's earnings, what I get each month from trading. So if I'm not going to add all these up on the screen, but I've already previously added all these up. So if you keep coming up, these are all more or less just under $1. You know, look, 96 cents, 96, 96, 92, 96, 68, 84, 96, 96. There's just a load of these. And if we come all the way up, okay, and I'm going to look for a loss. So I've got all these, and I've added all these up for you, and I've got them. I'll show you. So I've got a minus 16 there, okay? So we got that minus 16, then we've got some more profits, then we've got a minus 88 cents, then we've got some more profits, and then we've got a minus 30, and then we come up a little bit further. Then after the minus 30, we got a few more profits there. So let's have a look what that adds up to with profit and losses. So what I did was I added up all the profits, okay, and that came to $80, okay, up until the first loss, which was that minus 16. So that took me profit down to 64.01. Then I had some more pluses, which added up to $3.80, which took my profit back up to 67.81. Then we had that minus 88 cents, which took my profit back down to 66.93. Then I had some more pluses that took, they added up to $11, which took my profit up to 77.93. Then I had a minus of $30, a loss, which took my profit to 47.93. And then I had some more profits, which was another $6.64, got my final profit there of $54.57. So what we've got so far is a binary bot in a previous video for this month made a profit of 121.60. Another few binary bots there, a 39.20 profit. And then the last one I just showed you there was 54.57. So far for a month, you know, I've gone from April to up to the current time in May. So now what I want to show you is my Johnny Blockchain arbitrage trading robots. Now I've got a balance there of roughly $513.40. I started this count with $50 worth of cryptocurrency, and I've traded those cryptocurrencies and built them up to a value of 513. All up there, that's all done by the arbitrage trading that you've got inside Johnny Blockchain. So I'm going to take the $513.40 minus the 50 that I started with, because I funded a couple of the wallets with 25, and I think it was 20, 20, 20. I've spread it across 3 wallets. I traded with that $50, got that up obviously to the 513. And that gives me a profit of 463.40. So let's add that to the profit for this month. So now we've got the binary bots, 121.60, some more binary bots there, 39.20, some more binary bots, 54.57, the arbitrage bots, $463.40. So now let's have a look at this trading account. This is an account I do manually, and I've set the date from the 20th of April till the 20th of May, just to show you what I've earned. So far in that current month, that's £7,894.56. Okay, so there's all the trades. I've had a losing one there, one that just broke even. But as you can see, in general, it's all in the win. Okay. So there's another stream of income that I get from trading. So I've taken that's just over £7,000. It was 7,894.56 pence. And I've converted that into dollars because we've worked everything else in dollars. So that's $9,670.72. And let me show you some more trading robots. So here I am in Zookle. I set up 3 little trading robots here. So I've paused these 2 robots at the moment because I don't want the robot to do any buying at the moment. I shall work with that little strategy that I'm working on. But profit here is 27.7% and 10.3% ROI, which is 9.55 and 3.43. Okay, and then I've got this semi-automated bot here that made me a profit of 27.3, which is £14 and 73 pence. So that's pounds. That one's pounds and this one's dollars. So rather than convert the pounds to the dollars, I'm just going to take it that they're all dollars. So it will be on the conservative side because the pound's worth more than the dollar. So let's have a look at that, how that's added up to my monthly income. So I've added that up to $27.71. It's a bit more than that because 2 of the trades were in pounds. Okay, so coming from the top, binary options bot, profit at 121.60, a 39.20, another binary bot 54.57, my arbitrage trading robots 463.40. The trading, the manual trading that I've done is 9,670.72. Trading robot 27.71 gives me a grand total for the month of $10,377.20. I don't know about you, but 10 grand a month from trading, and I work from I get up in the morning at about 7 o'clock in the morning. Obviously, I'm not just working on the trading side of things. I'm running the websites, I'm talking to programmers, updating stuff. But it just shows you that you can earn some amazing money if you want to put learn new skills and put a bit of effort in. And I work up till lunchtime, UK time, about 12:30, 1 o'clock every day, and Monday to Friday. Then in the afternoon, I go out with my family. Okay, Saturdays and Sundays, I don't do any trading or any work whatsoever. Now, if you like what I've just shown you, then below this video, you're going to find a link where you could maybe buy me a cup of coffee because all my videos I make are all free. And if you want to get into trading, you'll also find below this video 2 links, one for Zookle.com, one for JohnnyBlockchain.com. Come and join Zookle, come and join Johnny Blockchain, or just follow me on Facebook. Give me the thumbs up, subscribe if you're a new person to this channel, and please feel free to buy me a cup of coffee. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.